Hi guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Aukey BR-C1 Bluetooth receiver. So personal update, I bought this electric skateboard and it's literally the best thing ever. Well, until it fell off. Anyways, open the box, you get this receiver, a micro USB, 3.5 to 3.5mm, and a 3.5 to RCA audio cable. The receiver itself has a soft matte textured plastic and the bottom is rubber to help prevent it from sliding around. Up top, you'll find the audio out and its charging port. Now to make virtually any speakers wireless with this little guy, you hold down the button in the middle until it flashes red and blue. Go to your device and select Aukey BR-C1. Then you take the 3.5 audio cable and connect it to the receiver and then your speakers, and then hit play. I've only had this for a week now and I haven't ran into any problems with connectivity. The only gripe I do have with it is the fact that the included cable is about half the length of a standard. But if you're using it for music or media, this shouldn't be a problem. But when it comes to answering phone calls, you may run into problems if there's some distance between you and the receiver. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in a comment down below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to see more content. Thanks for watching.
This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.